To clean or replace the vanes on your V20, turn the pump off and disconnect the pump from power. Using a 6mm hex wrench, remove the cover plate and O-ring. Remove the shaft key, rotor, and vanes from the pump cavity. Inspect the vanes and O-ring for wear, debris, and damage. Use care and avoid dropping the vanes or shaft key into the strainer cavity. If replacement parts are needed, they can be ordered through our website by scanning the QR code on the side of your pump with your smartphone. If the pump cavity contains debris, clean the cavity and components with a clean cloth. To reassemble your pump, replace the rotor, shaft key, and vanes in the pump cavity. Ensure the vanes are installed with the flat side oriented counterclockwise with the rotor. Coat the O-ring lightly with grease. Then install the O-ring and retighten the cover plate to the housing. Ensure there are no gaps left between the cover plate and the pump housing. If you have any questions, you can call our support line and speak to a USA-based product support representative in our factory that will assist you with installation, maintenance, repair, and warranty questions. This responsive live service is our legacy and our commitment to you. Thank you for choosing GPRO.